Welcome to Useful Tips. I will show you how to use Self to transfer images, audio file on your Android device. Open the file you want to send from your device. Tap on the three vertical dots. Tap on a share. Tap on a nearby. Tap on a continue. Make sure enable location or Bluetooth device on both your device, Bluetooth and a location. Now you can see nearby device sharing option in other device. Tap on it. Now tap on your device name. Tap on accept. Now you can see receive the image. Tap on done when complete the process. It's quite easy to share image or audio file using one nearby share on your Android to Android or Android to iPhone device. That's it. Please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to get latest tips.